Okay, man, here's what it would look like animated. Here it is being folded for storage. We'll look at it on different angles here. Now this is a very, I guess I would call it dirty piece of animation, because I literally tried to dissect your model to make this, and I couldn't completely tear the model apart very well because of the two packages we're using. I don't know if you made each of these parts separate or not. I had to literally, as I said, dissect your model into portions, which I didn't get tore apart very clean, as you can see. So to actually use your model to do this would be difficult. I will have to rebuild each part. If you get a chance, if you could send each of those sections separately, then I would really, I'd be able to well, hinge it and make your particular model fit in the top of the third stage. And this is what we're looking at. We're looking at, you know, I would need these, I would need these sections all separate, all of the leg sections separate. So if you want, you can do that, or I will just rebuild these parts of the model from scratch. But if you send them to me, I need each independent section, like you see here, because these are the literally, if they were together, these are the parts of the hinge. This is the brace. These hinge all as one. These hinge all as one. And this actually has, you know, mount where they hinge. A wrist pin would be going here. There's a wrist here, a wrist here, a wrist here. You get the idea. You're the one building it. Anyway, man, there you go. Let me know.